Uko toda fire, fire. Uko toda fire, fire. Uko toda fire.
What up, everybody? Welcome again to Aubrey Action. No chance in hell gonna miss this. You know what it is, man. Hapa ndo ndeba about the pinanga mziko wa venda wovao. Newcomers, old crocs, na wango banjitulu. Jino hapa ndo byananya udibidza peace kana mraro peace ni mraro chitashile. Udibidza peace over ana Rootkid Venda bakwa dashile to the press. Yebo, to the press. I think press kwamba ngamapungo to the press, yeah. I think it doesn't to the press, yeah. I think kwamba ngamapungo or mapungoni, yeah. To the press release, to the press, yeah. Press conference and stuff. So yeah, and the piece and Rootkid Venda at KV back to the press. I feel true. So I think this is the part 2. Let's go.
Yo man, I'm doing good. I'm just perfectly fine, man. You know, I just downloaded your EP and I was like, bro, this is dope. You guys see.
Okay, so I think that's Rootkid Venda anakwamba because I've had encounter with him, so I think that's him who's talking there. Uko appreciate a piece because piece oyampaying EP yawe akusimbiza obvisa EP, so that's Rootkid Venda chikudo akomubuzo okay, no fa EP no, it's great. So let's go.
So international.
Wanda on the track, boy.
So first very sad is the sharp man. You should keep on doing this. I know music is
On the track.
We got to lot to make sense. They talk about us cause we're making big things. I'm perfect and I still say I'm too cool for a cover of a magazine. To the past, middle finger to the past. I got something to say
To the press, middle finger to the past. Oh, come on, man.
the past. Yeah, to the past.
I've been in it for a while, underrated, don't know why. I'll be watching from the desk, observing these motherfuckers trying to rap, and I didn't even end. All the singers wanna be, who think they putting me on? I got my niggas on roll, fuck you for thinking it on. Every moment that I post, how do need that I know? Send a project to the niggas, they must be damn, it's cool, I make it without you. You only pick with the favors, man, at the favor, you got zero talent. And if you scared of
Before mutu hapa, I don't need you. You only big with the favors, but you got no talent. Ooh. Hey, come on, please. Come on, man.
my talk, stupid nigga acting cocky, only like yo, which is more be. I don't gotta break it off, me and my girls going cold.
I know music is it's a hard industry. Or there are a lot of comments, blah blah blah. But
Okay. So I love this idea, ne? Right now, because the go for Rootkid Venda Kodoba Amba RKV. So I think they had a conversation, ka WhatsApp or whatsoever. I could have voice note. So this guy had an idea. Okay, we can just use this one. Rashimisa Zikli the accent. Rashimisa as like featuring him. So I think that's a brilliant idea. Big up for that. That's a brilliant idea.
or there are a lot of comments, blah blah blah. But then you gotta keep up the work. So I'm just gonna do right, bro.
Yeah, every time I'm working hard, sleeping by my head out. Niggas in top, everything I gotta end, everything they gotta give. I don't even got no chance. They mention me, it depends. They booking us, it depends. Rapping is all I got. Let me finalize, I don't give a fuck. Yeah.
We got to lot to make sense. They talk about us cause we're making big things. I'm perfect and I still say I'm too cool for a cover of a magazine. To the past, middle finger to the past. I got something to say to the past. Yeah, to the past.
Fuck, I'm back now. Ain't planning on moving out. Yeah, check my swag out. I don't gotta copy work, niggas know been there before. Message to be headset.
Check my swag now. I have not got a copy work. Like, I cannot copy work. Oh, come on, man.
Yeah, check my swag out. I don't gotta copy work, niggas know been there before. Message to be head, send it to the press. Yeah, again, fuck, I'm back now. Ain't planning on moving out. Check my swag out. I don't gotta copy work, niggas know been there before. got niggas I don't like. Hope you pretending to buy. Bread that I cut with my knife. Sick and tired of the lies. I know you just get to buy. I raise the standard so high. Every time I'm walking out, sleeping by my head me up. Niggas should chop. Everything I gotta earn. Everything they gotta give. I don't even got no chance. They mention me, it depends. They booking us, it depends.
Partner on the track, boy.
We hustle hard to make sense. They talk about us cause we making big takes. I'm perfect and I still the same. I'm too cool for a cover of a magazine.
Well, being around in that atmosphere and seeing how people move, you know, seeing how they make records, you know, what kind of record they make. I'm just like, I don't want this shit for myself, and I don't ever want niggas to try to pull me into that, because I've been told a couple times, like, hey, do this shit, man, do that. But I'm like, man, I don't want that for me, man. And if I keep telling y'all I don't want that shit for me, and I keep, you know, trying to nudge and push, I understand y'all got y'all vision, y'all got y'all formula, but that shit don't work for me, man. I'm not gonna conform, like, I'm not settling for that shit.
Yo, man, I'm doing good.
Okay. That was Peace. Akoda Kabon actually to the press. Anna Rootkid Vendor. So I love the idea. Ya upanga Rootkid Vendor. Kabla kazi conversation is over. I love that idea. I don't think I have a lot to say about the song. It's a nice song, but I feel like at the end, it's such a word. I don't know. Mara, yeah, overall it's a nice song. Nice beat though. Panda on the track, so nice beat though. I love it. I fuck with it. I'm gonna give it like 7 out of 10. I think that's what it deserves, 7 out of 10. If it's not like I'm struggling between 6.5 and 7, so I'm just gonna say 7 because 6.5 is in down to middle 7. So I'm gonna say 7 out of 10. It's a nice song, beautiful song in fact. Peace. Muzika munjika out there. Anna Rootkid Vendor. Nandife Obro Mangengetri. This is Obro Action. Abasubscribe apho pasi baite views bashareka bangwe ukuthi bambuzule banganyanga nje improve guy na mina zote. So I love you guys. See you on my next reaction.